Here we go, guys, here at Appliance Wholesalers in St. Louis, over here in Maryland Heights. We got tons of refrigerator deals going on today. Up to 50% off clearance prices. We have the one and only largest inventory in the St. Louis area. Come down, check us out. Tons and tons of deals. Black stainless, regular stainless, counter depths, French doors, 4 doors. Look at that KitchenAid. Nice KitchenAid. 4-door. 5 doors. The new bronze colors. We got it all, guys. Come down, check us out. Best deals in town. French doors. Mostly everything in the store does have factory warranties. 1 year. We also do 90 days, same as cash. Take home today, $40 down. Nobody will touch our prices. I guarantee nobody. 100% guaranteed. Side by sides. We have tons of units, guys. Ranges, gas ranges, electric, slide-in, washers, dryers. We have a huge sale going on right now for gas dryer front load sets. Best deals in town. Come and check us out. Nobody will touch our prices, guaranteed. 90-day payment options, guys. Come down, check us out. Washers and dryers, top mounts. Whatever you want, come down, check us out. Nobody will touch our prices, guaranteed. Thank you. Come on down, 2253 Administration Drive, Maryland Heights, 63146, or you can reach us at 314-612-0032. Nobody, guaranteed, will touch our prices. Best deals in St. Louis. Y'all have a good day. Bye.